Assalamu alaikum. Summary of various form of a straight line. We discussed four cases of a straight line, equation of a straight line. Case number 1, case number 2, case number 3, and case number 4. So this is the first case. This is our first case when 2 points are given and we have to form equation of a straight line. So we use this formula: y minus y1 is equals to then y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. Round bracket starts and x minus x1 round bracket close. This is our case 1. Then in case 2, we form an equation of a straight line when point and slope are given to us. So y minus y1, and I just simply put m here instead of all these things. I just simply put m here because m is our slope, and the formula of slope is y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. So in case 2, I just put m here instead of all these things, and then the same thing copy down here, x minus x1. This is our case number 2. Case number 1, we have 2 points or 2 coordinates, and by using them we should have to form equation of a straight line. And in our case number 2, we have two things, point and slope. So if you have point and slope in your question and you want to form equation of a straight line, so this is the formula. Then case number 3, if slope and intercept form, it's mean in your question you have a slope and y-intercept. So this is our case number 3. Y is equals to mx plus c, equation of linear function. M means slope and c means y-intercept. Then in our case number 4, intercepts are given, x-intercept and y-intercept. So we're gonna use this formula. We're gonna use this formula: x upon a plus y upon b is equals to 1. And as I already told in my previous lecture, that a stands for x-intercept, b stands for y-intercept. Thank you.